guy. Check this out. This is the Spelab 6.7 Powerstroke new oil pan that they have. This thing is sweet. Look at that. Now, you know I got to add my finishing touches to this, so we'll get back to it before I install it. But man, this thing looks clean. Nice and stout. It's got the heat fins on it. Not too bad. Check it out. So this is the pan back from powder. I had it color matched to the truck. It's like a star white. Matches the truck perfectly. It's got some glitter in there. Looks pretty damn good. Did a good job. I'm happy with it. Time to get this thing installed. Okay, so we're doing the install on the oil pan from SPE. It's a good idea to do your oil change at this time, so that's what I'm doing. I waited until I needed to do the oil change, so I went ahead and removed the oil filter and removed all the bolts. Those are all 11s, and took them all out. I'm waiting for it to drain out. It's good to have a nice big pan so you don't spill stuff anywhere. Got it all out, got the oil filter out. So now I'm gonna work on getting that pan out. Now that is Ford RTV holding that thing in there. So you're gonna have to, you know, probably wedge something in there. Be careful, I wouldn't use a flathead, maybe like a scraper or something to get in between the pan and the block or the oil pan so you don't damage anything. Just be careful. You don't want to create a scratch or something in between there that's gonna cause a leak in the future. So let me get that off and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I got the pan off. Actually wasn't too bad. That's what it looks like without it. Time to get the new one in there. All right, so here she is all installed. Back that up a little bit, there we go. Nice and clean. Almost matches the oil filter. You can see the difference in white. This is more sparkly. This is just regular white. Came out pretty sweet. I'm gonna clean everything up, all the oil I spilled. Make sure you do a big bucket or something underneath. That's what I did to prevent any spills, but you still got some on stuff. So clean it all off. But that's it, we're all set.